Hey guys, good morning. What's up? Welcome to my vlog, Randy vlog. Okay, today we how to make espresso in the small pot like this. This is the small pot. So I have a small pot and I have a alabasa coffee. So one of the base coffee here in Athens. So okay guys, we start now. So open the pot first. This one. Then put water. Yes. Cup of water. So okay, so put the 2 teaspoons of labasa coffee. Yes. Then cover. Right. So, see, okay? Now bring to make boil in par. Yes. So open par slowly. And put now because it's very small this. So wait to make a boil now. Yes. Yes. Espresso. Yeah. Okay, my friend. So this is espresso coffee now. Like so fast for now is easy. Yes. Yummy. So this is the product of espresso. This from the small pot. Yes. It's nice. Wow. Thank you for watching and subscribe Randy Vlog. Thank you. Bye bye.